Welcome back guys, and welcome to the first episode of 12 Days of Christmas, 12 Questions Answered, where we post a video each day for the next 12 days right up until Christmas Day, answering your questions. So we're going to start off with a question we get asked all the time: what are keyframes? So to put it simply, a keyframe is a point on a timeline where something happens, or something starts to happen, or something stops happening. You know what? It'd be easier if I show you. Let's jump into Luma Fusion on the phone. So here we are in Luma Fusion, and we've got a nice clip here of Georgie enjoying some art at the Tate Modern. Now if we wanted to do a zoom in on this clip, let's go back to the beginning, and then we'll double tap that, take us into frame and fit. And this along the bottom here is the timeline, so we can scrub through that like this. So move the playhead to where we want the zoom to begin, tap the plus symbol there to create a keyframe, and then we'll move the playhead along to where we want the zoom in to finish. Zoom in on the screen, and that'll create another keyframe there. So if we play the clip back from the beginning now and watch as it moves between the keyframes. So at the first keyframe, it begins zooming in, and the second keyframe, it stops the zoom in. And that's it. All editing software use keyframes exactly the same. It's just a point on a timeline where something happens. So check back tomorrow for another one of your questions answered. Thanks for watching. See you next time.